Welcome back. Yesterday we did parabolas. Today we're going to do circles. So circles are in this form. This is called the standard form of a circle, where the center is the point HK, and the radius is the square root of r squared, which of course is just r. So let's show you a couple examples of these, and then I'm going to give you a couple to play with, and you should be okay from there. X squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 8y minus 5 equals 0. Okay, the way you tell it's a circle, you got x and y, they're both squared, and the coefficients are the same. When the coefficients aren't the same, it's not a circle, it's something else. We'll get to it tomorrow. So the first thing we want to do is sort. So let's put these two x's together and put a blank. Then the y. Then do the y's together and put a blank. Add 5 to both sides. Plus a blank, plus a blank. Because what we have to do is complete the square on both variables. We got to complete it on x, we got to complete it on y. So down here I'm going to get x minus a blank. That sign will match. Plus y plus a blank. This sign will match. Equals a blank. And now we're ready to complete the square. Take half of 4, that's 2. 2 squared, that's 4. A negative squared is a positive. This is always a positive sign. Half of 8 is 4. 4 squared is 16. Add the 4 and the 16 over here. This is 25. Just add those together. That's 20 plus 5, 25. So the center is 2, negative 4. You got to change these signs. You want to know what number makes this parentheses into 0. Well, it's not negative 2. It's positive 2. Negative 4 plus 4 is 0. And the radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. And we're done with that one. Okay, so let's go find a different example. Let's do those two crazy ones. Why don't we? Here's 45. 2x squared plus 2y squared minus 4x plus 8y equals 32. Okay? Easy enough. So look here, 2, 2, even, even, even. On this one, you want to, we can't complete the square until there's a 1 right here. So let's just divide everything in half. How about x squared minus 2x, 4 divided by 2, plus a blank. That's not quite. There we go. Plus y squared, 8 divided by 2, that's 4, plus a blank equals half of 32 is 16, plus a blank, plus a blank. And then down here I've got x minus a blank, and over here I've got y plus a blank and a blank. Half of 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1, put 1 on both sides. Half of 4 is 2, 2 squared is 4, put 4 on both sides. 21. So the center is 1, negative 2, and the radius is the square root of 21. Well, that's 3 times 7, but neither one of those are perfect squares. So just leave it alone, box it, and you should be good. Let's do one more example, why don't we? Let's see, I think I can do it right here. I'm just going to make this one up. How about x squared plus 6x plus y squared equals 1. Well, notice there's no y term. So on this one, I'll just do x squared plus 6x plus a blank plus y squared plus 1 plus a blank. That should be an equals. Because there's nothing to do with this y squared. So it's going to be 0. The y value of the center will be 0. So this thing's on the x-axis, but you can have the center of a circle on the x-axis, no problem. Here I've got x plus half of 6 is 3, 3 squared is 9, 9, plus y squared is 10. And the center is negative 3, 0. This one didn't have one, so you didn't have to do as much. And the radius is the square root of 10. So let's go ahead and give you 6 problems. It's these 6 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's see, there's no, oh, they're being funny right here. You'll want to add y squared and subtract 18y to get them over here. And you want to subtract 53 and get it over there. This one's okay, but look, there's no real number there, so just add things to 0, that's no problem. That one, you don't have a y, you're good on it, this should be fine. Add 14x and get it over there. Okay, and there's those. That should do it for today's work, and we're over now.